Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 13. This is our last module of content, and after this is just the final project. So it's the same topic as the last module, which is the formal commands. Please make sure to review everything again for that. If you didn't get full credit on your quiz or your speaking assignment, now is the time to really go over this topic. Again, Google Translate does not form the formal commands. It gives you the informal commands. So if you're using that, it's probably going to give you all the wrong answers. Please make sure you understand this topic because you need it on the final project. So again, last module of content and information here about the final project. Now is really the time to make sure you understand everything for the final project. Next week, your scripts are due for the project. So, and again, scripts need to include formal commands. So really make sure you go over all the instructions. Important about the final project, this is not supposed to be something like super fancy, super crazy. It's just what we've gone over in class. So go back through the old speaking assignments, see the questions that we did in the other modules. It's just supposed to be basic, between you and a patient, okay? Nothing past tense, nothing future tense, just simple present tense questions. Ask the patient their name, ask them what pain they have, that's it. Okay, so that's it. Last homework packet, last speaking assignment, last quiz. And remember that next week your scripts are due on Friday. So make sure to get those in by Friday. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.